As a person, you can invest in real estate, gold, bitcoins, stock market, or whatever, but I promise you the best return would come by investing in yourself. Namaste, my name is Mackie and this is Project Enjoy Life. Today's video is about meditation. So I have been meditating for more than an year now, and I meditate every day for at least 15 minutes now. But when I started meditation, I was meditating only for 5 minutes, because this is the thing, once you make really big, large goals, it's very hard to achieve them, and you get demotivated really easily. If I make a goal of playing guitar for like 3 hours every day, I'm pretty sure I will give it after 3 days or 5 days or maybe after a month at max. But if I make a small goal of practicing 20 minutes a day, then I'm much more likely to practice 20 minutes every day. So that's how I started meditation. I started meditating for only 5 minutes and I saw incredible results on my way, and then I kept on increasing. Now I try to meditate for 15 minutes, sometimes for 20 minutes, and there's no going back. I never want to stop meditation. Meditation is a process that brings calmness and peace to the mind so that it can work much more efficiently. The number of benefit I saw of meditation was that now I'm much more better at decision making than I was a year back. Now I'm much more conscious about my thoughts, my actions, and my habits, and this is why I'm taking better decisions. I'm much more conscious about my habits. I'm taking care of what is going to my mind, what I'm consuming, not only as a food but also as like content or entertainment. I try not to indulge in cheap entertainment. I still watch some web series and all, but very consciously I try to take care of my time, like how I'm spending it. I try to take care of the food that I'm eating, that I'm not eating a lot of sugar. I try to take care that I'm giving enough water to my body, and I'm so grateful to this journey that I am on to meditate every day. I really want people to start meditation. This is the reason that I started this channel, to inspire people to live a life with much more peace and calmness and happiness. There is a famous quote in the movie Into the Wild that happiness is real when it is shared. So this is what my motto is with this channel, to share happiness, to share the things that I have learned on my way. Even though my life is not really sorted and I still have to face challenges, I'm overcoming some issues in my life, but I'm still relaxed. I'm very calm about it. I know I will make it, because things do get stressful at times, things do get really painful, and it's really hard to make decisions in those times. So you need to have that control over your mind, and meditation is that thing which can allow you to take control over your mind. I read it somewhere that weak people let their mind control them, but strong people are those who control their mind. So meditation is the thing that will make you a much more stronger person inside and out. The second major benefit that I saw from meditation is I am completely okay with being alone. And once you are peaceful inside, people can feel your energy. People are much more likely to spend time with you. People want to be with you. Like, they can see it in your eyes that you are calm inside. But once you're not really happy with yourself, nobody really wants to hang out with you. That's the ultimate truth. You might agree with it or you might not, but that's the harsh reality, man. Because people wants to hang out time to enjoy, to socialize, to feel good about themselves. And if you're not feeling good about yourself, how can you make them feel good about themselves, right? Nobody really wants to be with needy people. Have you seen those needy people who always wants to have something from you? You can feel it, you can feel their energy, you can see it in their eyes. You don't really want to be with those needy people, right? So don't be one of them. And meditation is that thing that will bring the calmness inside you. Now I'm happy even when I'm with someone, I'm happy even when I'm not, and I really enjoy my company. And the third major benefit that came after meditating for more than a year now is my focus level has increased by multiple folds. I'm that guy who cannot focus on one thing for more than like 5 or 10 minutes. I really get bored very easily. That's the problem with all the creative people, I guess. I'm not the only one. But meditation has brought some magic to my focus power. Now when I'm writing songs or when I'm reading a book, I can do it for longer hours and I can stay focused onto that subject. It has got much more easier for me to stay concentrated onto one task that I'm doing, and I started doing it deliberately, because when you're meditating, you're focusing on yourself, your breath maybe, or you try to be aware of your awareness at one particular moment, and it somehow trains your mind to stay focused onto one thing. It is said that how you do anything is how you do everything. So once you are meditating, you're training your mind to stay focused onto one thing. And once your meditation session is over, you will go to a different task, to play guitar, to write a book, or to do your office chores or whatever. Now your mind will have that power. It will retain that skill to stay focused, and it will get much more easier for you to stay focused on that one task. And it's such an underrated skill in today's world, with all this unwanted distraction and this world full of advertisement. It's really hard to stay focused onto one thing. So after meditating for so long, I realized the value of focus, that how important it is to stay focused on in whatever you're doing. It doesn't matter what you're doing, but if you're not really focused, you won't be able to do it with your best. Things get much more joyful to do once you're doing it with full focus, instead of just partially doing it, not even being involved completely into it. So these are three major benefits that I saw from meditation. First is my decision making has been improved. I can say I do my choices much more consciously now. Second major benefit is I am completely okay with being alone. And the third thing is I have improved my focus power. It has become much more easier for me to stay focused onto one thing, onto one task now. Yeah man, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm aiming to inspire some people to take on this journey to start meditating for at least 5 minutes. So here's my challenge for you. For the next 7 days, meditate for at least 5 minutes at one time. Just select one time in the morning, evening or night, whatever you prefer. It doesn't really matter. Just start meditating for 5 minutes a day. As a person, you can invest in real estate, gold, bitcoins, stock market or whatever, but I promise you the best return would come by investing in yourself. So start investing some time and energy on yourself, because you, my friend, do matter in this world. And remember, life is beautiful and so are you. Enjoy life.